So in the present climate, it's quite difficult to keep this station clean at high touch point areas. So what the new technology will allow us to do is have our staff focusing on the high touch points so that the automatic machines can then go and clean the mundane areas, and that allows us to ensure that we're doing exactly what we need to do in the current climate. The main thing for us is to get the confidence of customers. We are the first train station to bring this type of technology in, because we want to allow people to use our train station with confidence, use our retail units with confidence, and slowly get back to a normal way.